Alright, so on this one, guys, you're going to see something amazing. I prepared you a big surprise. I think it's gonna take a little while, so you need to stick with me. I'm going to try now to fulfill this idea, very basic, but we will understand how it works. I'm going to take this idea and I'm going to explain you a little bit how we are going to use Biela to integrate AI in the software which Biela creates. I prepared API from ChatGPT and I'm going to develop based on the ChatGPT API the entire functionality dreamt by Mr. Joao. I'm going to be very succinct because I need to go through many other ideas, but generally for you to catch the idea and from there to take it on further with Biela is going to be very easy. By the way, you can just go without enhancing, sometimes might be even better. Let's go. We are working now on defining which packages are working the best with the others and so on. There is a lot of work behind. Just for you to know, behind the scenes there are over 100 people working right now on this project. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting goosebumps when I see this. So what he created for us, it's an emergency assistance which allows me to call emergency services 911. I have medical emergency, fire emergency and security emergency. Obviously, I would like a little bit now to change and to make sure that I'm creating this as an app for somebody. Let's use the app mode, so the mobile version. We can call the emergency and start a voice input, but let's see now if I would go for medical emergency. The integration here on the left, it says that the ChatGPT integration can be added. Once you have your API key, would you like me to add that functionality? So check this out. I'm going to get the API key. I'm going to give it to Biela. I'm going to tell her, yes, please, go further with this API key. Okay, so now emergency guidance component with AI responses, clear interface, and so on. So let's go here, and if I click on it, I can open FaceTime. It looks like the API has been integrated, but I don't understand where it is and how I'm going to use it. So this is exactly what I'm going to ask Biela. So I asked it, how is it going to interact? So now he's going to enhance the emergency guidance component to make it more intuitive and provide specific guidance based on the emergency categories. I think the nice part here would be to have a chat, no? To be able to talk to. Click on OK, get emergency guidance. Only one prompt after, where I'm asking, obviously, how do I interact? I already have here the different type of things. So I can select emergency, describe your emergency situation. Let's say I feel dizzy, I have vomiting feelings, let's say. And you're going to get the guidance, and let's see now if he was able to implement. So as you can see, the API from ChatGPT is already connected into your software and he's able to give you information regarding that. So that's it, your app is ready. From here on you could play with the colors, you can add more emergencies, you can do it wherever what is in your head. You can even start your voice input. Of course, here to start the voice recognition you will need to deploy it because this is a web container and not all the functionalities can be tested inside of the preview, but there is going to be a button called deploy, and once you click it, it's going to be live on a temporary server that will also allow to share with your friends your creation or to publish it live. So there we go, Mr. Joao, that's your emergency assistance.